Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well today. My name is Jennifer and today I have for you a handbag review. Alright, so this is from Patricia Nash. You didn't see an unboxing or anything of this bag. I haven't had it for that long and I wanted to kind of tell you what I thought about it. So this is the bag and I'm going to put those down. You'll notice that there are metal handles, which are very interesting, and I'm going to put the measurements here for you. So like I said, this is from Patricia Nash, and I can't remember the name of the bag either. Empoli or something like that, I think. So I'll put that here, of course, too. So you have the little Patricia Nash logo kind of stamped in there. And this is the tan color. This also comes in black, which is pretty too. I'm not sure if it comes in, if you're a Patricia Nash fan, you know that her Riot Rust is a really popular colorway of hers. I'm not sure that it comes in that either. I think I just saw this one in the black. You have the metal handles, which I think are super cute. That's really what sold me on this bag. And they're not rounded. They're kind of, they have edges, okay, so they're not rounded. And that's kind of what it looks like on the wrist there. It does, of course, you hear it, it does of course make the noise, and it's almost like the horse bit look in a way. It does have a shoulder strap that is removable, so you can remove it here. I guess I could just look at the tag. Empoli, E-M-P-O-L-I, and this is the veg tan color, and this is the tag. Straps are removable, and then inside there are 3 compartments. So let me take out the stuffing. Okay, so there are 2 compartments here, and then you have the zipper, which is very smooth zipper, and then the inside you have a zipper compartment here on one wall, and then you have, let's see, I think just 2 little pockets, elasticized pockets there on the other wall. And if you see my other Patricia Nash video, you know that the insides of her bags are so soft. It's not suede, but it's like a suede-like material, and they are, take it from me, super duper soft, like microfiber on steroids. Really, really soft. Of course, you get the little authenticity card that comes in there, and I think that you can register these bags if I'm not mistaken. The zipper pull tab on here does come out of there, so if you unzip it like all the way, you kind of have to hold the one end to get it zipped, but I just stuff it back down in there like that. Both of the sides here have magnetic closures, so that's good. I really do like that there's a lot of organization, and you know, if you've watched any of my other videos about purses, you know that I like functionality and organization in my bags. So that's definitely one of the things that I like about this bag. The bottom does have feet, so that's nice. The hardware is, I would say it's like a brushed bronze, maybe. The pull tab on the zipper has her little logo there. The zipper is very nice. It doesn't weigh a ton. If I can find the weight, I'll put it here, but I'm not sure about how much it weighs. But the leather is so nice. And again, if you saw my other Patricia Nash video, you know that it smells so good. Like if you think that maybe like Coach smells good or Dooney smells good, this smells even better. So the adjustable strap has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, looks like 5 or 6 adjustments there. And again, if I can find the dimensions of it, I'll put it here for you. Obviously, the little handles, they can't go far on you. That's about as far as it can go. So that's something to think about. I really do like bags with a handle and a crossbody strap. So that's one of the reasons, or one of the things that drew me to this bag. So let me pack the bag and kind of show you what can fit in it. This is how I packed it. So you'll see here in the middle, I put my sunglasses in the little pockets that are in the middle there, and because of the height of them, and I wouldn't say they're huge sunglasses, that won't zip. So that's something to think about. Of course, you don't have to put them in the pocket. You can just stick them down in there and they're fine, right? So it'll zip that way. So it zips up with no problem. So let me just kind of pull out what I have. So on the one wall here, so this compartment, I have the Tory Burch accordion card holder. I have the Coach Nolita. This is the Nolita 15, so it's comparable to the Louis Vuitton mini pochette. So I just have random things in there. Kleenex, Tylenol, things like that. Those are the only two things that I put on that one side. On the other side, I have hand wipes. I have my Louis Vuitton key clay. I have a new wallet that you guys haven't seen yet. This is the Coach, I don't remember what it's called. I'll put it here. I will do a review for you guys. My sister just got me this, so I just started using it and I'm loving it so far. Okay, so that's all that I put on this side. In the middle compartment, in the zipper compartment, I have my readers, I have my sunglasses, I have a pen, and I have the Louis Vuitton Rosalie wallet. So I'll just stick those back in there so you can see kind of what it looked like in there. And there was a ton more room. I mean, you can see there's a ton more room in there. I mean, you could put your wallet in there to, you know, for safekeeping since it zips. Let me see if that fits in the middle, the one that I'm using now. So, yep, fits just fine. So this bag is fairly roomy. I think it's deceiving as far as the size that it looks like when you just look at it. It's pretty deceiving. But if you're putting stuff in the outer pockets, you know, so here I went ahead and moved it over to the outer pocket. It is a little more tight on the outer pockets. The inner pocket is where you have really your most room. So let me take that out and just show you this inner pocket. Pin's still in there. I mean, that's a pretty big pocket, right? And just kind of, if you carry a planner and you know what size this is the Filofax original. So this is the personal size. Let's see if it'll fit. It does. I didn't think it would. It fits right down in there. And let's see if it'll fit on the outer wall. It does, but it will not fasten. So it won't magnetically close there. But in the middle, it will. Yep. So if you're a planner person and you have to have your planner, which I do, I really want to have my planner most of the time. Now, not so much, but in normal life, I do. So that's a really good thing. So let me put my other things back in here with that planner still there. Okay, I got pretty much everything back in there, but it's pretty heavy now. I had a little bit of a trouble fastening the little buttons, but on this side, I do have the Nolita pouch and the Tory Burch card case and the wipes. On the other side, I have the wallet and the key clay. And in the middle, I stuck, well, let me just show you. It did zip, but it looks like that. So I have my sunglasses, and on the side, I just put my readers and then my planner. So there is a lot of room in here. Even though it doesn't look like it, there really is. But I am going to be sending this back. And here's the reason. I love the bag, so just let me say that. I really do like this bag. But what I thought I would love, these handles, I don't love. They're not comfortable. If you're just going to be carrying it like this, totally fine. But if you're carrying it on your arm like this, you know, or in... You really can't get it up, well, you can, I guess. You can get it up to the crook of your elbow. That's not comfortable. Extricate myself from that. All right, so yeah, so that's not comfortable. So that's gonna be the reason why I send it back. I got a really good price on it. You can get this from QVC. I got it from Macy's. I don't know if you can still get it from the Patricia Nash website. I think you cannot get it from there anymore. but I got it for like $139, $140 at Macy's, and it was like $199 on QVC. Of course, on QVC, most of the time you do have easy pay, which is good in some circumstances. So, you know, whatever you need to do. I am going to be sending it back, but let me do a few mod shots for you, and we'll come right back. That's a plus with these handles is that they lay down, so they go flat, which is a kind of an irk of mine with the handles. Like if you saw my Coach, the Charlie, and the Town bag review, you'll know that the handles don't lay down when you have your long crossbody strap on. So that's definitely a plus, that they lay down flat, and you can even kind of put them like that. So that's all I have for you today about this bag. If there are any Patricia Nash bags that I need to try, let me know, because I have the one that I'm definitely keeping, the leopard print one. I have another one that I'm going to do a review on for you guys, but I just love her leather. Her leather is just so nice. So I would really like to maybe get another one. I'm really looking at the London bag, so that might be next on my list. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you will like and subscribe, and I hope you're doing well, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.